Hey guys, so since today's my birthday, even if you guys actually don't know that today's my birthday, I still have decided to post something each 2 days or something like a little meme. But since today I had a bad day, I still have decided to post something, a meme or a video just for you guys and to cheer me up. So let's just get to the video.
Step on a crack and you break your mama's back.
Oh my God! Honey, stop playing! For the love of God, stop playing!
Step on a line and you break your father's spine.